Yes, so my correct people, I don't come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. And this koko I bring come na update concerning Yaya Bello matter and in case we dey for inside court. And I still bring you informate concerning Solomon Dalong wey be the former Minister of Youth and Sports for inside the country Nigeria under the regime of our former president wey be Muhammadu Buhari. This man don come outside come dey yarn the kind experience wey he get for hospital as he nearly kpai just because say he no pay deposit money for treatment. As Oga Dalong take pass the informate give us on the experience wey he get for inside the hospital, na so we go like one pass and give you so I go know wetin dey sup for inside the country Nigeria and so that you go dey guided. But before I give you details on this koko my correct person, I wan first give you the koko wey dey happen with Yaya Bello. No say the Federal High Court now wey dey for inside Abuja they don reject the request by the past governor of Kogi State to be Yaya Bello say make dem stop the trial in the hearing of the 80.2 billion naira fraud charges wey dem don plaster against am. Yaya Bello now come dey yarn dey give the court say make dem stay the execution of im trial before Justice Emeka because e get one appeal wey dey filed by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission before the Court of Appeal against the contempt application wey dey filed by the defendant against the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission chairman wey be Ola Olukoyede. However, my correct people, on Friday for inside the ruling of Justice Emeka, he reject the application wey dey made by Oga Bello through im lawyer wey be Abdul Wahab Mohammed. According to how Justice Emeka take yarn for inside ruling, my correct people, he say dem no go fit entertain the application unless the defendant in answer present for inside court. Say in absence of the defendant now for inside court, say the motion or notice wey dey filed by the complainant, they go only fit conduct am if the defendant answer present for court. No be small koko my correct people. This man wey be Yaya Bello the man know very well say im hand no clean because the way he don dey dodge this case the way he don dey dodge court and arrest, e go let everybody know now say the man him true get skeleton under im cupboard. How man go just dey for im house like this dey send im lawyer say Yaya go tell court this one, go tell court that one, all those kind of things. E no just make sense at all. E come as if im dey look the court and im dey look the EFCC less. Even Justice Emeka sef don even yarn am before say Yaya Bello now dey try to make rubbish out of the criminal case by choosing to stay for im house and not to respect the court order. So therefore, the motion wey dey filed by the defendant e no get bearing. Even the trial judge sef come still yarn am for inside the ruling say anybody now wey dey disobey court order, they no suppose to give am hearing for any subsequent application. According to how the trial judge take yarn am for inside the ruling, he say a defendant wey dey disobey an order of court is not entitled to be heard, and the disobedience of the defendant by not making himself available for arraignment in this criminal trial under disguise of an application say na attempt to frustrate the court and to make am practically impossible for the court to take jurisdiction. And im performance so far dey show say im dey take the court for granted and im dey take the orders of the court as child's play. Say the honourable thing to do by the defendant na to honour the court and be present for im arraignment. Say the warrant of the arrest na order, and Yaya Bello now don disobey the order of the court, an order of court wey be say dem get competent jurisdiction. So no matter how dem take obtain the arrest warrant say that arrest warrant go plaster until dem don set am aside. So my correct person don say Yaya Bello now as im dey run from court, im dey dig im own grave, im dey carry im hand dey increase im own palava because even Justice James sef don already yarn am say the law e dey settled on the fact wey be say anybody now wey refuse to obey an order of court after becoming aware of it, now the person go come dey in contempt of the court. And na still Justice James wey yarn say not obeying a court order say na show of disrespect to the court, and anybody or any party wey dey guilty of this one so make e no just try am say im dey expect any favourable discretion of the court make e no just try am say the court now go come take a matter lightly because e no go work at all. Justice James come still yarn say the constitution im dey mandate all persons and authority to respond to court orders. So therefore, the decision of the defendant to file an application instead of presenting himself for arraignment, e dey show im intention not to present himself for trial. Na why the judge kukuma say e no go hold any application and they no go hear any application until the defendant make himself available, until the defendant come outside come say present sir. So na so the koko be like. My correct people, anything be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, the other koko I get for you now about the former minister of youth and sports wey name na Solomon Dalong. He don yarn on experience wey he get for in hospital. Don't be small to my correct people. He say he almost kpai for hospital because he no pay deposit of admission. You know say when you go hospital, whether na big hospital, whether na small hospital, you go gats buy their card, you go gats fill some kind form like that make dem for register you for inside the hospital. You go gats pay some kind money before they begin dey run check up on you, before they begin dey give you treatment. You understand? So you go gats pay some kind money. But wetin Oga Dalong now dey try yarn be say, see this hospital wey him go so na big hospital and they know am very well. Him card dey with them and their card dey with am. Even last week Wednesday sef wey him be no well na the hospital na him go, but to him greatest surprise be say they come fall him hand because say he no pay deposit. No be small matter my correct people. Him come dey narrate how the thing take play give tori people. He say as he enter now him go see the doctor, but as he dey meet with the doctor finish na him come faint. As him come faint like that, he lose consciousness sharp na dem carry am enter emergency ward. But based on say he no pay deposit of admission, he never drop any money, they come abandon am for inside the emergency ward for 4 hours until he come get himself small. He come regain partial consciousness. He come later sharp come run transfer, and na as he do the transfer na the hospital come deem am worthy come say okay. That time they come begin dey admit am, come begin dey give am medical attention, medical treatment. And this particular hospital dem get him medical record o, dem know am very well. Even the last medical checkup wey him do na 2 months ago na for that same hospital, but suddenly they just do am like stranger, just do am as if him be newcomer because say he no make payment of deposit. No be small koko my correct people. Oga Dalong come still dey yarn dey give tori people say after that one now, after they don dey give am the medical treatment, he come still fall unconscious again. He come faint for another 7 hours, but to God be the glory, they don discharge am after 3 days of treatment and he don recover. But he say if to no be that partial consciousness now wey he come get make him for dey paid for deposit, omo him for don bear RIP. And this one no be the first time, no be the second time wey something like this dey happen. E don dey go on. Many countrymen now don kpai because of something like this and e no make sense at all. Oga Dalong come dey ask say where our humanity? But no be lie my correct person, this koko na for hands o. And you know say report bin dey ground concerning one baby Naija superstar like that wey be say dem rush go hospital for treatment. Instead of the nurse now to take care of am to save him life, they come dey snap picture based on say na celebrity. Last the guy kpai. Make e no be say doctors and nurse now dey don lose their humanity o. Make e no be say they no value the lives of their patients again, they no value the lives of countrymen because e no go funny at all. My correct people, I know say this kind news now no be the one wey dey sweet for ear, but I gats tell una make una dey guarded, make una know wetin una dey do. You understand? Because you know say this na Anointed Lady TV. Na only us dey like give you ogbonge and legitimate news on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, e go good make you sharp go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the update and you go get am sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another update for you my correct person. No go anywhere.